Yeah, good Devon morning this morning. It's not too bad weather-wise, luckily. Hay fever's at bay. We are at Pullabrook Wood today, so we're going to have a walk around here and yeah, hopefully see some lovely sights. So we're just walking up a hill from the car park. Just gone past a looks like they're making sort of wooden flooring down the bottom there with a very nice piece of equipment. We're just walking through here. It's a bit like a valley. I mean, we're up high. There's the meadow and the stream down below. And it goes up the other side. It's a really nice little circular walk. Here comes the crazies, because I'm not catching up with the rest of them. Hey babies! And off we go. Got some amazingly big trees here. This is actually all looked after and managed by the Forestry Commission or Dartmoor National Park, so it's very healthy wood. That little monkey goes all the way up there. Lovely tall. Oh, excuse me. Spoke too soon about the hay fever. Dogs are enjoying it. Right, so we're at the top of the hill. So we've just come from that way. We went down there once and it was just literally a sheer drop down the other side, but it goes down to the river and that's about it. So we're just walking up here, which borders onto the Dartmoor National Park. Doggy! And then, yeah, we'll officially be in the park for a small stretch, and then, yeah. As you can see, it's managed. So we're just walking down this hill. I've got to keep the dogs on lead because, as I say, we're on Dartmoor National Park now, so obviously it's ground bird nesting season still. So we're asked to keep the dogs on the lead. Obviously, as I say, Trixie doesn't leave. So we've just walked up the path that's over there. But as I say, there's this lovely valley that we're walking down into now. So yeah, there's a lovely little stream at the bottom. I'll show you that in a second. So I'm just walking through the bottom now of the valley, as you can tell with all the puddles. Dogs are loving life. We're off the park now, so they're allowed back off. But they're under close control anyway, they're up with my mum. So I'm just going to dodge this yucky puddle. It's quite nice and warm actually. I thought it was going to be cooler up here, but it's quite nice and cool today. But warm. I'm in shorts and t-shirt. So there's the kid up front, as you can see. And then the dogs are just taking every opportunity to have a dip. I'm just walking up to a really lovely old stone bridge. God knows how they used to use it in the olden days with their wooden carts, but I'll show you in a minute. It's really, really rustic, let's put it that way. Go puppies! They're doing the shorter route today. It's about 2 miles, I think. But you can go that way and do a 5-mile loop. So, just going in now. So, just come through that gate. You up? That must have been an old cart path at some point. There we go, so here's the bridge. As I say, you can see how rustic it is. So rocky. So it must have just been a bridle path. If they've got carts over it, then I'm very, very impressed. So we'll just cross over and I'll show you the actual I can climb it. Here's the water. So well made, these things. This has been here for hundreds of years. Get down, you lunatic. Ugh, my daughter's in the river. Got scuzz. It does actually get deceptively deep in the middle. But, yeah, hang on, let me see if I can show you the bridge. Looks like a bridle path originally. Yeah, bridle path, that's why it's rustic. Sorry about the dog. So the river's there. I'm just walking down the other side of it now. We've got to be careful down here because sometimes they have the ponies out grazing here to keep the shrubs down. So I haven't seen any signs yet, but they're usually pretty good and put signs on the gates to say that there's ponies loose. So we've just got to keep our eyes peeled. But yeah. Again, this is quite a nice quiet walk. We have just bumped into 2 other people, which is rare, but that's good. Wise decision. Just tripped over a root. Oh, I shouldn't laugh, but I shut it off too quickly. Here we are, we're in East Dartmoor Nature Reserve, Rosewood. So, and I really can see how it is a nature reserve. It's so, just like you've stepped into an elf movie. It's really lovely and wild. All the ferns, all the roots sticking out the ground. Sometimes I keep the ponies in here just to keep the grass and the shrubs down. To cushion the dog's tag so that it's nice and quiet for you. Opening up into a nice little meadow now, kind of. I found this place years ago. There was a handy little booklet in our village. Otherwise I'd have never known about this place, I don't think. Oh, dog's scared of the tree trunk. He's such a plonker, that dog, I tell you. safe now, he can pee on it. Daft animal. It's a lovely old oak. I do like oaks. So just, don't know. You know it's a real wood when there's an oak. So we've just come out the woods out of that gate there, and this is the last meadow. Got to be careful because sometimes he has sheep in here, so just need to be careful. Can't see any at the moment, but we're not far from the car now, so we're nearly at the end of the walk. So it's quite a short one, this one. So we've just left the meadow in that little lay-by on the left there. Luckily we put the dogs on the lead because it was full of sheep, as predicted. So we're just walking down this piece of road now, which leads back to the car park. Put a fluff in there, Mum. Douglas. Oh, Nanny, am I going in your lap? You keep calling that dog, don't Good. That's what I bought you for next week's drinks. Does Nanny want some? There's another bottle in there. mine?
No, because my phone it. Let me watch mine.
Your phone what?
Your phone won't